हाय सो अभी हम कोशिश करेंगे कि ये जो बॉल है वो ऊपर लेकर जाए बिना हाथ लगाए. Don't ask me why. It has to go from here to here. That is the starting position. I forgot to mention that I had 2 shots to get the ball up. Of course, I took like 1500 shots. I could shoot once from the first ground. The second time was from this place. So it was supposed to be 2 shots. It's nice to get back to things. Got this really cute new shirt from Kissa Goi. It's very cute. I'm gonna wear this today. Peach pendant. This was sent to me by handmade by Rue. Actually, it sounds like everything I have is sent to me by a brand, which is actually sort of true. But anyway, this is dressing up with Vishnu. Fuck, I hate this. I like the collars. I always like these collars more than normal collars. Favorite perfume? And you guessed it right. ये भी भेजा है मेरे को Nykaa ने. We did a collaboration and I love this shirt. What's left? Shoes. अभी मुझे पता है तुम क्या सोच रहे होगे कि विष्णु, why the fuck are you wearing your shoes which are really cool without socks? Number one, because I don't have to go out. Then the next question of course will be, अगर तुमको बाहर नहीं जाना तो घर पे क्यों ये सब खिला रहे पा रहा है? I have 2 reasons. I'll tell you. Number one is that I show my outfit to my girlfriend who's a fashion blogger / fashionista. I mean, she has a really great understanding of fashion and clothes. So it's like a personal task that I give to myself, that I want to see how well I can dress, and then she rates me. The second reason is that when I'm having like a terrible day and I feel secondly, when I'm having like a really bad day, I dress up. क्योंकि अभी जैसे जो ये जो पैंडेमिक चल रहा है ना, I feel like I mean, I think most people we feel like there is no reason, there is no meaning anymore. Like, what are we earning for? What is really the point if we can't go out, if we can't do anything? Getting ready gives me a sense of purpose and I think a false hope that, see, no matter what happens, you have to be ready for what the day has to offer to you, right? Whether it be opportunities or problems, you have to be ready. You can't control everything else around that's going on in the world, but you can control your actions and your whatever the fuck you do. So it's kind of a metaphor in my life. I'm gonna call Diksha and show her my outfit and see how she reacts. That should be interesting. Are you ready? How much would you rate me? And
9 on 10 because the shoes don't go with the shirt. The shoes are very fun and the shirt is a little. The shirt is fun but shirt is a little.
मेरे को तो फर्क नहीं पता because मेरे पास जूते भी सिर्फ यही हैं और शर्ट मेरे को मिले, तो मेरे को जो मिलता है मैं उसको असेंबल करके.
Stop ruining nice clothes.
Why?
Because you ruin clothes. Remember the turtleneck I gave you?
Hi, 1 second. So what happened after this was कि इसके बाद एक आंधी तूफान आ गया था, लाइट चली गई थी, कैमरा की बैटरी खत्म हो गई थी, मैं पिक्चर्स वगैरह खींच रहा था और वो सब कुछ बीच में रह गया. So I continued this vlog on the next day, and what you're about to see is the CV of my failures from the next day. Okay, then we are starting now. I know this is not a perfect vlog and it was sort of all over the place. The title of this video, as you've already read, is a CV of my failures. And trust me when I tell you this, I have failed so much in my life. I have failed my way through life. I always say this whenever someone asks me who is Vishnu. I say Vishnu is the most above average underachieving kid that I know of. जैसे होता है ना कि कभी रेस होती है या फिर किसी भी चीज़ को कंपटीशन होता है तो फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड होता है ना, आई वुड ऑलवेज कम फोर्थ. सो अबव एवरेज बट अंडर अचीविंग. सो आई एम दैट इन दैट स्वीट लिटिल स्पॉट दैट सक्स. आई वांट टू शेयर माय फेलियर्स बिकॉज trust me, 80-90% of who I am is because of my failures and is because of all the things that I've tried and I've failed at. सारी CVs में वो होते हैं ना, skill set डालते हैं. So these are my skill sets in my CV of failure. Procrastination. I procrastinate a lot. It sucks to delay the work that you know will take your life forward and all these things. But I think it's the struggle of finding a discipline that really builds self-worth. Do you get me? Someone who is trying to not procrastinate and get stuff done, it's really hard for that person because I understand. But when you find that discipline and figure out a way to get that thing done, that is a very rewarding feeling. And that rewarding feeling wouldn't be possible without that procrastination. Now, I'm not saying that procrastination is good, but overcoming that procrastination is it's a really satisfying feeling. Overthinker, I am a terrible overthinker. I overthink everything. Like from ordering things in a restaurant, oh wow, that used to be a thing. All the small decisions in my life, I overthink a lot. Like buying something from Amazon, I feel bad for feeling bad about a thing that I did because I felt bad
for doing that thing.
Now coming to experience part of my CV, where I will tell you my experience with failures, and this is the interesting part. Okay, not that the whole video was not interesting. Please tell me it was interesting. Like, comment, share, subscribe, notification. I have failed in literally keeping up with things. Like I take up challenges and things, but I give up very easily. I used to give up very easily actually. I'm trying to get better at it. But छोटे होते मैंने taekwondo सीखनी शुरू करी थी ऐसे. So he used to teach that, and I think I went for like 3-4 days. And I stopped going. Even in my school, so I was into sports a lot, okay? And I was eventually the football captain of my school team. We never won anything. We would get eliminated in the first round itself because everyone else from like St. John's and all these good schools, they would like kick our ass. And वो इतने बड़े बड़े होते थे, हम छोटे छोटे होते थे. I don't know why, like कुछ स्कूल के बच्चे बस बड़े होते हैं. I was an athlete. I used to run like 100 meters, 400 meters, 800 meters. In my school, I would win. Okay, in my school, hands down, I would win always in 100 meters and all those things. But outside in bahar wale competitions, I would always lose because we never practiced it. Okay, all my academic life, I was average, above average. Like I was like 75% wala ladka. Now, I thought like sports was something I loved it and I was good at it, but every time I'd go out I'd fail, so it was very demotivating for me. So I would fail at that. Then I worked my ass off for 2 years. I took non-medical. तो 2 साल मैंने रज के पढ़ाई करी है. मतलब लगा लो तुम 8-8, 9-9 घंटे दिन में पढ़ता था मैं. I think all non-medical science students will relate. Commerce and arts not so much. This is a mix of success and failure both. I scored okay, decently well in my boards. Physics I scored 92 I guess, and chemistry I scored 95. But apparently boards don't matter. All that matters is your JEE mains, and I scored 65 out of 360. And hence the college that I wanted to get into, which was PEC or UIT, which are the top engineering college in Chandigarh, Tri-City area. Did not get the college that I wanted to get in. Pointless, lifeless, felt terrible. I got into a private university, which I hated. They had a uniform which I hated. I felt this weight of like being a failure. Like this was my best shot. I had given my best shot and I scored 65 out of 360. 1 in 6 questions were right. See, even he's not happy. And I felt terrible, man. Like that was one of the biggest failures in my life. Like because it was the biggest failure because I tried really hard. It wasn't the biggest failure because of the magnitude of the effect on my life. Now looking back, it is nothing to my life. But the fact that I studied so hard and I worked my ass off and I still couldn't give my best in that exam, it sucked. It made me feel like worthless. Then another one of my failure, which was in fact the biggest failure at that point of time in my life. The college wasn't my biggest failure third year because I was getting used to it. Okay, I was like, ठीक है, placement हो जाएगी, कुछ कर लूँगा. I discovered filmmaking and video making and I was having fun doing it. I was like, मैं कुछ भी करता रहूँ, ये तो मैं करता ही रहूँगा, right? But there's this organization called ISEC that came in my life, and I'm so grateful for that organization because that one organization taught me so much about myself. It put me in a position where I had to get out of my comfort zone and I had to do so many things. I did sales, HR, I did marketing, I did graphic designing, I did so many things thanks to that one organization. I was a team member first, then I became a team leader and I had the opportunity to apply for VP, Vice President. But I said I will not apply for it the year because I want to pursue filmmaking, I want to pursue video making, I want to be a content creator. So that year I refused to do that. And that year I had an actual chance of becoming a vice president, but I gave that up. Again, I don't regret it now because my life has turned out in ways that I couldn't have predicted. But in that point of time in my life, this was a big failure. In that 1 year, जो मैंने break ली थी so that I'll make videos, मैंने 13-14 videos बनाई होंगी. And I did internships. I sort of collected some money, bought this camera. I didn't make as many videos as I could. I made a lot of excuses. I did a lot of things that I regret, which I count as a failure. Next year, I was like, अब मेरे को VP के लिए apply करना है. It was such a stupid idea, and I got rejected. I failed at that, bro. I failed hard, and I was at rock bottom. That was a point in my life where I was like, fuck, I really need to like figure out my life now. I don't have a college degree that I love. Okay, I know nothing about computer science engineering. I don't see my next year in ISEC. Love content creation, but I'm not getting anywhere with it. Like मेरे 1,000-1,500 subscribers हैं YouTube पे, nothing more than that. उस time पे reels नहीं आई थी तो overnight ऐसे success नहीं मिलता था. All these failures that I'm talking about are what I considered failures at that point of time in my life. Right now, if I think right now, none of those were failures because they've contributed hugely in my life, but at that point of time in my life they were massive failures for me. All of these failures have impacted my life in a positive way. Like I can literally tell you what I learned and how it is helping me today, but I think that's a video for another day. Right now to you I want to say that thank you for watching this video. If you did like this video, please like, comment and share this video. There is something that I've been working on for the last 1 year and it's something that is very close to my heart. It's a childhood dream of mine. It's a passion project. It's almost there and you guys here will be the first ones to know. I'm gonna be revealing it here next month. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you subscribe, like, comment, share, do all those things. Please do it for me. Please. Notification.